Kenny's cooking show.
Sok needs that more in his life, because a well-balanced diet is gonna keep him alive longer, so we're gonna do that. Don't zoom in. Don't zoom in. It's not that good. Is that food? I don't understand the goal of the video anymore. Does it look appetizing? Ooh, now I understand why people don't use mushroom in here. Okay.
How do you feel?
I taste cucumber. But I don't put it on the table. Chunky.
Yes. Do not say don't. No, do not say.
Oh, don't say.
You can also put in beans, but Jenny said you didn't want to do beans. What do you like beans? I said it, stop talking.
Oh.
Did you think the other way around?
Yeah. It's fine.
You're gonna go with this?
I mean, do you guys want diabetes? Do you want a... Sorry.
And it's sometimes because like the noodle is too too long, it just smacks you in the face, and then you're just like, oh. And then the person goes, oh, I'm so sorry. And then he does it again, and he gives you a free one. No, just me? Okay, cool. Well, it happened to me twice, so. This is a 4th cup. Thank the American public education system. A public American, oh my God. I really failed school, guys. Oh my God.
Describe how the dirt feels and what texture of dirt you're going for.
It feels doughy.
Perfect.
My own chocolate after you said, oh, if I use Ghana chocolate, I'm gonna lose. So I brought both.
And you ate some of that already?
Yeah, it was really good. Like, you're gonna lose and you're gonna lose hard. I'm gonna make sure you trip.
Yeah.
Not just trip, but down the stairs onto concrete.
Oh, and then the...
Ooh! Drama channel. I kinda wanna click on it. It's fine. There's more important things at stake. Like my dignity. You press the... Yeah.
Should I warn them that your cookie would...
I'm gonna give them diabetes?
Yeah?
No! They'll find out. I don't think I'm doing this right. Oh my god.
That's golden brown.
Okay, well.
I don't know if I give him my mixer for that is.
Touch.